how are you all? I hope you're safe and sound. In today's video, let us learn the last function, which is def. Let us clarify in today's video. So let us open our PyCharm. Def is a function. That means, now if you see a variable, what is a variable? How? You could keep any integer, which is a number, or you could keep any string or anything. And the full form of def is the function. That means in a function, you could keep things. You could keep many things like print options as well. You could keep in that, like how we learned in input. But in variables, we cannot keep those many print options or input options in them. So you use a def. Def, see, it is a function given that. So now let us give like what shall we give, like electronics? Okay. Suppose I give electronics. Okay. Now I'll keep like this. I keep like this and enter. So why we are keeping the colon again this time? Why are we keeping a colon this time? No. Yes, though it's not if, but we need some things to go inside the function, not stay outside the function. So let us keep electronics. So print. So let's give this print. Okay. And now let us give our parentheses, and then in that strings, those double quotes or single quotes. And now let's keep a first ever electronic as mobile. Another thing in PyCharm, if you do Control D, it multiplies itself and becomes another thing. So let us change this one, this text to let's say computer or laptop. Now let's Control D again, and then let's see now at a monitor. Yeah. So now let us click enter. So this is a test one, and now let's run. Hey, nothing is getting executed. What is this? Oh my god, what do we do? Yes, we haven't done anything to this. This is just like a variable not getting into anything like print or anything. Now suppose if you take a variable and leave it just like that, take variables, some words in the variable or numbers, then if you run it, no answer. So we have to execute the code. How do we execute the code? By keeping some print or something. But there is one special thing in functions. Now let us go to another line, and now let us type EL. Electronics. Hey, it's not seeing any red, though we are not doing anything. See, plus it only said that you want electronics because it's a function. That means it is stored into the the thing. Now if you go to projects, and then if you see, there's a small arrow. If you click on that, you see a function is added into that. A function is added into test 1 or test 1. See that. So that is called as function. Now if we run this now, you'll see mobile, laptop, monitor. We told print. Now let us give some input here. Input. Now let us ask some name. Is your name Naman? Now let's give these for just keeping. They may give anything. So yes or no. Okay. Now that is keep some fun. Let's keep some conditions as well. If let's put this into a variable called a, and now if a is equal to numan, let's give. Now we forgot one thing. Lower, as they may give in capital or small. So we have to give lower numan. If we want to lower numan, then print oh okay hi numan. And now let's keep another one, which is else b is equal to input then what is your name? Okay, now let's keep the column. So now then print let's keep this into f strings so it'll be easier. Then what is your name? Then hi b. Oh, so now let's comment this line out and then let's see. Comment. Where is the comment option? Yeah. So now let's run this. No answer. Let's remove this comment and now let's see. What is your name? Is your name Naman? If I say no, let's keep both the letters no. Then what is your name? My name is Manam. Let's just change the name. Hi Manam. So mad. Okay, so that is how functions work. So suppose you want to execute something as well as you want to code. And if you don't want to comment some things out and you want to code to be like normal, you could put everything into a function. And I hope we learned something new today. In today's video, we learned about functions. So do watch my next video. Bye bye.
Friends, I hope you're learning from my videos. If you like them, please give a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then please subscribe. And click the bell button for getting more notifications. And please share my videos to your family and friends. Thank you.